Okay, this is a simple way to thread your ring sling. You take the tail and you do an accordion fold. Just a minute, buddy. Accordion fold like this. Find your rings. You're going to get in the sling just a second. Slip the folds through both rings. Separate the rings over the top and under the bottom and pull through. And there you have it. And you slide it over your head.
Yeah.
One arm in, one arm out. Okay, come here, bud. In this case, I'm using my big boy.
What's that?
Put their feet through. You do this with any size baby or toddler. And this is for the hip carry. Slide it under their bottom, down to the knees, nice and tight, up over, spread across the back, and then you pull and you tighten the top for the top, bottom for the bottom, and there you go, hands free. Do you like that?